Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion, Miss Vita would like to review what you have discussed last week about sound. You know that sound can travel through a medium. There are three mediums that can bring sound travel around. The first one, liquid. Of course, sound can travel through a liquid. The second one, sound also can travel through the solid object. And the last one, sound can travel through the air. And what can make sound soft or loud? There are some factors that can make sound soft and also loud. The more air in that room, the louder sound will be. And the more vibration also can make the sound louder. It's the first. When the vibrations are getting smaller, it will also produce the soft sound. So when the vibrations are low, the sound soft. When the vibrations are large or lot, the sound will be louder. That's what you have discussed last week. Now we are going to discuss different topic. We are going to discuss why do sound have different pitches. What is pitches? That's what you have to know. You have to find what is pitches in your book, page 145 until 144 until 145. You can read the reference there and find what is actually pitches and prove why sound have different pitches. You need some materials. If you can find it at home, you can do this experiment. But if you don't have it at home, that's okay. You just need to read in your book and or search in Google why do sound have different pitches. Okay, you need a lunch box and also rubber bands. You may need about 2 or 3 rubber bands. And play. Try to play like this and follow the instruction in your book, in your science book. Okay, after that, you may do the quiz in Google Classroom. Okay? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.